Okay, welcome to the second video in the series. So in the first video we discussed about how to navigate around viewports, select objects and move them. And today I'm going to show you how you can actually see the amount of polygon counts inside of your scene. So when you press 7 on your keyboard, you would be able to see how many polygons you have and how many vertices you have in total. And when you move something around, it's actually going to show you the FPS as we discussed in the previous video too. So I'm just going to draw this box like this, and I'm just going to leave it and turn edge faces on. So as I just turn edge faces on, as you can see, you will be able to see this white little boundary around the object. So if I go right here in the viewport properties, which is here, we need to go inside viewport configuration. Once it's loaded up, you would be able to see these couple of options, like if it should show shadows, intensity, and all that. We are not going to discuss this. I want you to go inside statistics. Once you're inside here, now you can see we can actually see the polygons and the vertices, the vertex count, its tick, and frames per second, the FPS of the animation we will make. If I just switch it to total post selection, and I'm also going to turn on these, now I'm going to hit apply, then OK. We are actually able to see the object we have selected, which is box 01. We can see the amount of polygons we have. We can see the amount of triangles it has. Now, how come we cannot see the triangles? To see the triangles, we need to actually be able to see the raw polygons of this object, which we cannot see by the wireframe, because the wireframe will only show it transparent like this. So I'm just going to switch back to the realistic mode with the edge faces. You will actually need to be able to visible the raw polygons, because if you see this polygon here, it's like split into two triangles, like it will form that, but we really cannot see it yet because this is like a base shape. When we actually convert it, then it would turn into 12 polygons when we actually start modeling out. So this is how you are able to do something. Similarly, if I just come here and draw this tree, the teapot, you can see the total scene polygons, as you can see here, are 1036. This involves the 12 from here. But if I choose this, it's showing me the total polygons this have. And if I switch over to the teapot, it's going to show me the total edges, vertices, triangles this has, the teapot shape. And similarly, as I change the segments, yeah, that's really low quality. But to make the object really high detail, we need to add more polygons, but not way too many like this. Like 25,000 for a teapot, you can like create an entire retopologized game character in it. Like this much quality is still okay, but newer game engines can handle it a bit. So around 1600 polygons, or segment 3 is okay for this much, and you can just make it a bit softer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. In the next one, I will show you how to change the unit setup.